In this video, we're going to create a basic network in GNS3. So I'm going to hover over this tab right here, and we can see the one that looks like a computer monitor. We can see we get VPCs for virtual PCs, so let's just drag two of them out. First of all, we want to line them up just to make it look nice. And we want to click on the arrows pointing backwards. And we want to get an Ethernet switch. And we want to drag one of those out. You can see we get an Ethernet switch and two PCs. Now we want to click on this tab with a wire that looks like a snake with an ear. So you want to click Ethernet 0 and match them all up. So let's do that with the other switch, PC2. And we connected it up successfully. Now we want to start them all up, so we're going to click the start button to power everything up. Let's start everything up. So we can see that these have turned green. And we can also click this button here with the ABC to get the part letters showing. So I've clicked on PC1 and we can see we get the PC1 terminal open. I'm going to click on PC2. Well, I'm going to right click on PC2 and we're going to click on console. And we should hopefully get a console open up for PC2 as well, which you can see right here. It's a bit delayed response. If we do IP and question mark, we can see we get the syntax for the IP command. We can also just press the question mark if we don't know any commands. And IP, one of the first commands we want to do. We want to give a machine an IP address. I'm going to give it 192.168.0.2. Now I'm going to press 255.255.255.0. And it's going to check for a duplicate address. While it's doing that, we're going to go over to PC2. And I'm going to get to open up the terminal, and I'm going to do IP, this IP 192.168.0.3 and 255.255.255.0, and we can see it's checking for a duplicate address again, and it has done it. So if you just do ping 192.168.0.2, and we can see we get a response back. We could also check on PC1. So if I open up the tab again and type in ping 192.168.0.3, and we can see that both the PCs can ping each other. In the next video, we're going to connect the router and maybe even connect the Linux machine to this network. So I'll see you in the next video.